I'm Felicia, mother-daughter duo of Slow Foods Kitchen, Palmetto, Florida.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're so excited that you're here. We want to tell you about us.
You go first.
So, what we do is we handcraft vegan snacks that carnivores love. From watching our YouTube channel, you can expect to find fun tips and recipes and tricks and new delicious ways to eat more plant-based.
Briefly, we started because we knew that whole raw foods healed the body, and so we delved into research and we started making these kale chips, and a friend said, hey, you ought to bag this and put a price on it, so we did. And here we are today, getting ready to launch 3 flavors in a new bag design, and we do it because we care about what goes in our body. If you eat anything out of a bag, box, bottle, or can, beware. Unless it comes from us, you know it comes from fresh, raw, organic ingredients. We're going to share with you the tips and tricks that we've learned in our own kitchen on how to do things, so substitutions, what makes good food, good places to get your resources on your ingredients, and whatever we know, we're going to share with you, except that secret kale recipe.
Check out this video to get started, and feel free to explore our channel. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.